Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Torres, and today I will be talking about the life cycle of a plastic water bottle. We'll see its environmental impact and how we can improve its design. So to understand first why I chose this brand, we chose a water bottle, sorry, because it's a product that we use every day all around the world. It's cheap and easy to produce, but millions of bottles are thrown away every day. So this creates serious problems for our environment. And that's why it is important to study its life cycle. First, to understand this, basically, the life cycle has five main stages. The raw materials are extracted, then the bottle is produced and manufactured, transported and distributed. Then we can finally use it. So finally, it is disposed of or recycled. And this is important because each stage affects the environment in different ways. Now, to understand the raw materials, plastic bottles are, as we know, are made from petroleum. So extracting this oil can damage ecosystems and use a lot of energy. And it also causes air and water to pollute. Also, as we know, this oil is a non-renewable resource. So using it for plastic is not sustainable at all. And for stage two and three, we have the production and transportation. And also, as we know, factories use a lot of electricity and water, and that's why a lot of CO2 emissions are created. And just right after production, bottles are transported long distances. So this uses fuel also, so it increases also the carbon footprint. For stage four and five, it's use and disposal, sorry. So during these phases, bottles have a very short lifespan. Sorry, so that's why it shows our single-use culture. When bottles are thrown away, many times it ends on landfills or oceans. So plastic take hundreds of years just to degrade. So those are the basic problems. It depends on fossil fuels, high carbon emissions, plastic pollution, wasted materials, and short product lifespan. These problems show why we need a better design. So my proposal basically is that, my first proposal is reusable design with thicker, more durable materials for multiple uses. By this I mean that there are a lot of brands that the material that they use, it seems as if they don't even want us to use it again. So my proposal is that by using a better quality plastic and a thicker plastic, a lot of people will consider at least using it again and not to buy a new water bottle. So that's why it would reduce a lot the plastic production, sorry. And second, I have the sustainable materials. Right now I'm having my plastic class and I've been taught a lot of these whole new alternatives that I think could be really useful for our future. That's why we could improve and not use just new plastic by petroleum, but like use recycled plastic or bioplastic from plants. So yeah. And third, I have a refill system to reduce single-use consumption. Maybe just as we have water refill stations, we could have something like that similar. That's something that already exists, but at least here in Querétaro, I don't see that a lot. So I think that would improve a lot on people just to refill its water bottle, so we don't have to buy another one. So that will be also helpful for the population because it will be cheaper for them. And finally, I have the make recycling easier with fewer materials, simple labels, and clear instructions. So usually water bottles don't explain a lot on how to dispose of them. So I think it would be really important to add on the labels a way to either recycle it by yourself or with maybe phone numbers from where to go and dispose the water bottle. And the benefits, sorry, of these proposals is that it can reduce sorry, plastic waste, lower carbon emissions, and extend the product lifespan. So it can also have safe, sorry, natural resources and promote sustainable habits. If we all use better bottles, we can help the environment every day, and also by all the other reasons that I just explained. And now for my conclusion, I understand that plastic is material that it's being used a lot, and it's very difficult for people to stop using it. But there always a better and a more environmental cared way to consume the plastic, because it's being used a lot. There's a lot of waste right now, and it surprised me actually that there are not a lot of better ideas on how to produce just a water bottle. So yeah, that's why I think the small design decisions, like using these recycled materials or creating refill systems, can make a big difference. And all of this shows that the better design can reduce waste, protect natural resources, and support more sustainable habits. And that's it. Thank you very much.